Side effects of excessive hand practice. Many don't realize the fact that excessive hand practice can lead to a weak erection. Excessive hand practice can damage the crucial nerves which are responsible for connecting the brain and male genitals. The damages which happen to these nerves and penile tissue can result in weak erection or even impotence. The sensitivity will be soon lost in the genital area when these nerves stop doing their work. Therefore, it is really important to treat this condition before it faces more serious damages. In this video, you will know the fastest way to cure erectile dysfunction in older adults. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Natural supplements to overcome weakness. Mast Mood oil is the best herbal treatment for weak penis nerves. The powerful herbal ingredients present in this oil will repair damaged penile tissues. The quality of the erection will be improved tremendously with the regular use of this oil. This oil should be used to massage the male organ. This oil has potent herbs and natural oil in it, which will naturally strengthen the male reproductive organs. Benefits of Erection Enhancer Oil. These herbal ingredients can cure the weakness in penile nerves. The strength and longevity of the erection will be improved tremendously with the regular use of this oil. This oil will intensify pleasure and excitement during coitus. Proper blood flow to the genitals is important for having a strong erection. The herbal ingredients present in this oil will increase the strength of the efficiency of the male reproductive system. The natural oil present in this herbal remedy will nourish nerves in the male organ. Overall health of the male reproductive system will be improved much-fold with the help of this oil. These factors make it the most effective herbal treatment for weak penis nerves. The potent herbs used in this oil can naturally repair damaged penile tissues. Best herbs to increase girth. Powerful herbal ingredients are the reason behind the effectiveness of this oil. Ashwagandha. It is the main herbal ingredient used in this oil. Ashwagandha, which belongs to the nightshade family, is a very common herb used in Ayurveda. It can calm the nerves. It will be able to strengthen the nerves naturally. It will also increase energy levels. Javitri. It is another important herbal ingredient used in this oil. It has got the power to strengthen the nerves. This herb is an excellent stimulant and aphrodisiac. SonaPatha. It is another important herbal ingredient that is part of this oil. It is one among Dashamula. It has anti-inflammatory, pungent, and astringent properties attached to it. Root, bark and fruit are used for medicinal purposes. Kapur Oil. It is another major herbal ingredient of this oil. It is usually used for aromatherapy. Dalchini Oil. It is also one of the important herbal ingredients of this oil. It has got a compound called cinnamomum, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties attached to it. Presence of these powerful herbal ingredients makes it the most effective herbal treatment for weak penis nerves. This oil will naturally repair damaged penile tissues. However, for maximum effectiveness, one must consume the Mast Mood capsule as well. It is a very powerful herbal remedy that will be able to strengthen the erection naturally internally. The herbal ingredients present in this capsule will cure erectile dysfunction. It will also increase libido and strength. One will be able to cure the weak erection with the help of these two herbal remedies alone. If you want to know how to get Mast Mood capsules and oil discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Best herbal treatment to repair damaged penile tissue. When it comes to damaged penile tissues, one needs to treat this condition both externally as well as internally. A powerful herbal remedy like Mast Mood oil, which is regarded as the best herbal treatment for weak penis nerve, will be able to repair damaged penile tissues in a very effective manner. This oil has powerful herbs that will penetrate the penile tissues and will fix the damages that happen to the nerves which connect the male organ and brain. At the same time, one needs an internal herbal remedy as well to increase the energy levels so that one can sustain the erection for a long period. Strengthen weak nerve. The powerful herbal ingredients like ashwagandha, Kapur oil, Javitri, SonaPatha, etc. will be able to penetrate the penile tissues. The body will be able to absorb these herbs when massaged. It will slowly repair the damaged nerves. With regular use, the damaged nerves will go back to their healthy form. Then the communication with the brain will be reinstated, and that will result in long and strong erections. Is there any side effect? No, there are no side effects attached to both these herbal remedies. Manufacturers have used only herbal ingredients in both these herbal remedies, and therefore they are safe for long-term use. One doesn't need to bother about the side effects at all. World's finest erectile dysfunction cure.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Mast Mood capsules and oil from naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.